To troubleshoot the Debank extension, start by checking if it is enabled in your browser. Ensure that it is turned on and functioning correctly. If the issue persists, try restarting your browser or computer, as this often resolves connectivity problems. Next, check for any software updates for both the Debank extension and your browser. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. Visit the official Debank website or the relevant browser store to check for updates and follow the installation instructions. If you are experiencing issues with a specific wallet or account, try removing and re-adding it to the Debank extension. This can help resolve connectivity or synchronization problems. Be sure to have your wallet seed phrase or private key ready to re-import your account. Clearing the browser cache and cookies can also help resolve issues with the Debank extension. This will remove any stored data that may be causing conflicts or errors. Be aware that this will log you out of any connected accounts, so have your login credentials ready. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Debank extension. This will remove any corrupted files or settings that may be causing problems when reinstalling. Make sure to download the extension from the official website or browser store to ensure you are getting a legitimate version. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues with the Debank extension, try reaching out to their support team for assistance. They can provide personalized help and troubleshooting steps to resolve the problem. Be sure to provide detailed information about the issue you are experiencing, including any error messages or screenshots.